What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And as some of you guys know, we are in Southern California in the high desert, and I know y'all been hearing about this weather. Well, we took the opportunity to collect some water in some of these bins, and we're going to use them to fill up our water containers out here. We're going to be having more water, so we're going to try to find a better way to do this the next time. But for now, this is what we did.
All right, guys, so if it's been raining a lot where you are and you don't have a rain catchment system, no problem. I got you covered right here. Unfortunately for me, I have these 3 tanks just like this, and I'm gonna show you what I did using these tanks to catch the water from the roof and to fill these tanks. Check it out. So we caught water, as much water as we can, with containers here. We got some containers here, we got them on the sides, we got a couple in the front, right? But the problem was, once we caught the water, how was I gonna move the water from here, because obviously these are too heavy to lift. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leapfrog the water from here, right, using this submersible pump, which is off right now. I'm gonna use that pump. I'm gonna drain the water from these containers into that drum, and then from that drum to that container, to that IBC tube. Right? So check it out. Let me show you how this is gonna.
Jerry rig.
What'd you say? Very weird?
No, I said jerry rig.
Hey.
Hey!
He's standing in the puddle of water.
Let me tell you something!
Alright. Now, just to try to take some precautions, I got this clamped to the chair and to the table right here to try to keep the cord off the ground.
No, hey.
So check this out, y'all.
Be careful now.
So that this can go a little deeper. So now that pump is in this drum, and you should start hearing it fill up the tank over there.
So it's already going here, and he said we should start hearing it over here in a second. So let's go check. Do I hear it?
Is it working?
I don't know. Let me see. No.
Nope, not yet.
Okay, I hear it. Alright guys, so sounds like we got water.
Obviously, like I said, we're kind of leaning forward with the project on the land, so we bought 2 additional tanks to take out to the land. We just haven't had a chance to do it yet. We don't own the trailer, but we have the tanks. So, like I said, we're at an advantage here with the tanks. But if you're in the same position where you want to catch the water, but you don't have a rain barrel, or you don't have a dedicated tank or space for your overall system, but you want to move it from point A to point B, get you one of those submersible pumps, and some. This is just some, I think 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch, I think 1/2 inch tubing, poly tubing, and then you can just transfer your water from one space to another. You don't have to move those bins or those buckets because they will be heavy. And we're going to use all of this. I'm trying to get these emptied out because it's supposed to rain again, and I want these things as full as we possibly can. So I'm going to fill this up. I'm going to leave it here until the rain, until we get no more rain, or until this tank is full. Then I'm going to transfer it from this tank to the tank on the hill, because that's the one that we actually use. So that's it, y'all. That's it. That's how I was sitting here like, man, I don't want to have to move this stuff by hand from, 5-gallon buckets at a time, because that's going to take forever, especially trying to lift it up and pour it into that tank. And then I remembered I had the pump that I bought months ago. I'm using that now instead. So, like I said, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're curious about the pump that I'm using, I will have it linked